backup camera, backup sensor, Bluetooth, heated seats, heated steering wheel, leather seats, navigation system, remote start, running boards, tow package, clean vehicle history, 240 amp alternator, 7 and 4 pin wiring harness, 700 amp maintenance free battery, Alpine premium audio system, auxiliary switches, black 3-piece hardtop, blind spot, and cross path detection, class 2 receiver hitch, cold weather proof, cruise control, freedom panel storage bank, front dual zone AC, GPS navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, ParkSense rear park assist system, ParkView rear backup camera, rear window defroster, rear window wiper/washer, SiriusXM, trailer tow and HD electrical group.